Ever dreamt of tiny humans exploring worlds built by AI? Today, we're making that dream a reality using Leonardo AI. First, let's head over to Leonardo AI. The magic starts with the perfect prompt. Think descriptive and specific. For example, a miniature human wearing a futuristic jumpsuit, walking through a neon-lit alleyway in a cyberpunk city, ultra-detailed cinematic lighting. Character design is key. Experiment with different prompts, focusing on clothing, posture, and overall style. Iterate until you have a character you love. Now, let's add some consistency. Use Leonardo's image-to-image feature. Upload your favorite character image and use it as a base for generating new poses and actions. Generate a series of images with slight variations in pose. The goal is to create enough frames for a short animation. Time to animate. Import your images into your favorite video editor. I'm using mention video editor name if necessary. Arrange the images sequentially, creating a stop-motion effect. Add simple camera movements like zooms or pans to add depth and visual interest to your animation. Don't forget sound. Add ambient background sounds and subtle footsteps to bring your miniature world to life. And that's it. You've created a captivating video of small humans in an AI-generated world. Experiment with different prompts, character designs, and animation techniques to create your own unique visions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI video tutorials. Small Human AI video.